1. Low expectations. Grabbing some green cube, try out for star. Boss, the executive using the feeding system as well. Boss is going to score some greens. Can they get them in? And Boss gets 2 greens into the goal. They are also knocking some of those reds off with 5 points each. Low expectation target spot, and they now switch drivers. Boss trying to pick up some green cubes. They approach the goal, getting ready to score 2 more greens. We must now switch drivers. Boss tilting their feet up. They drop 2 more greens into that goal. Low expectations, just trying to move these reds around. So we get the last 10 seconds, low expectations goes for a park. Boss matches them and goes for a park as well. 5 seconds left, both teams are marked. All right, for qualification match 18, we've got 5080 2K, Team Empire.